Okay, should I start? Okay. Okay, so hello everyone. We are thrilled to introduce you to our innovative project, GuideSense, a real-time navigation for the visually impaired. My name is Afzia and I'm the project manager. I'm here with my team. Together, we are committed to making navigation safer and more accessible for blind and visually impaired individuals. Can you change the slide?
Abzia, can you
Okay. Yeah. Okay, so this is the agenda. Uh, we are including the team members in this presentation, the project overview, technologies and algorithms they are using, team logistics, and retrospective. So we'll be introducing ourselves first. My name is Afzia Waknis and I am the project manager.
Hi everyone, my name is Kayin Chen. I'm the database administrator.
Hi, my name is Ritesh Singh and I'm the DevOps engineer.
Dinesh, you are there?
Dinesh,
Hi, my name is Dinesh Tupishankar and I'm the Scrum Master. Okay.
Hello, my name is Rushabh Makwana and I'm the backend developer for this project.
Hi, my name is Vaibhav Thaplial. I'm the developer lead and the front-end developer for the project.
Hi, my name is Min Jung. I'm the quality analyst.
My name is Rishikesh and I'm helping in the front end development part.
okay, so let's go further with the problem statement part. Navigating through everyday environments presents significant challenges for blind and visually impaired individuals, whether it's crossing busy streets, avoiding moving vehicles, or lacking real time guidance. These individuals face numerous obstacles that can hinder their mobility and independence. Traditional mobility aids like canes and guide dogs while are helpful, often fall short in providing comprehensive and real time information about obstacles, directions, and surrounding. This means that blind and visually impaired individuals are frequently navigating without the full picture, leading to increased risk of accidents and restricting their independence. This lack of real time situational awareness can be particularly dangerous and can limit the ability of visually impaired individuals to move freely and confidently in their environments. Therefore, there is a pressing and need for an innovative solution that will leverage modern technology to enhance mobility and safety for the visually impaired community. Our project aims to address this need by creating a web app that uses advanced object detection and voice commands to help blind people navigate safely. This app will warn users about obstacles, provide directions, and describe their surroundings in real time, offering a comprehensive and defendable navigation solution. By combining these technologies, we hope to empower visually impaired individuals to navigate their surroundings with greater ease and confidence. Further, my friend Rishabh will be explaining to you.
As Abzia mentioned, the problem statement for this project, and now I'm like describing what we are actually making. So our web app is a helps the visually impaired to see by using the GPS and the AI model. The AI model we are using, which will be further described by Weibo, it's YOLO model. You only look once. So the project it helps in identifying objects, moving vehicles, and crosswalks for the visually impaired. So are basically the technologies and tools would be like you'll later come to know about that, but I'm just giving you a brief description about it. So we are using GPS, AI, and the overall goal, as Abzia mentioned, is to make the visually impaired more accessible on the roads, and they can move freely with the help of this app. The key features of this app includes real-time object detection, voice navigation, GPS, and user-friendly interface. Next.
Project schedule will follow all deliverables due on last dates. For Sprint 0 will be the 21st January to 10th of February with a daily scrum and retrospective. Sprint 1 will be the 11th of February and the 10th of March with the daily scrum planning and retrospective. The second sprint will be 11th of March through the 7th of April with the daily scrum, the scrum planning and the retrospective. And the third sprint will be the 8th of April and 28th of April with the daily scrum planning and the retrospective, with the prototype deliverable at the end of sprint 1 and the minimum viable product deliverable at the end of sprint 3. Next slide, please.
Coming to the persona one, well, she's an independent blind user. Her name is Aisha Khan, and her age is 32. Mostly her occupation will be software developer. She works on the remote work. Her background verification is like Aisha has been a blind since her birth. She's highly tech savvy and relies on assistive technology. She is very motivated to use technologies that enhance her independence and the streamlines daily activities also. Mostly these app usage scenarios will be like Aisha wants to use the app for navigation while walking, especially unfamiliar areas, and identify the objects which could be a barrier for seamless turns. Her needs will be seamlessly integration with exciting assistive technologies like screen readers, voice control, so accurate location services, reliable information. About accessible routes, the environments are robust privacy features. Environments, okay. Her goals will be like increasing independence, improved access to information, enhance safety while navigating, and streamline daily tasks. Mostly, for example, Aisha wants to navigate the city on her own terms. This app can helpful for her. Her accessibility, this app needs to work with her for the screen reader too. In specific cases, like the app help her to find the accessible roads and reading reviews of restaurants that it to. In this mainly measuring task, like our app provides turn-by-turn audio navigation designed specifically for the blind users. Coming to the next slide.
The target of our web app was not only supporting the blind people, we already also solving the problem for our blind people's family. And this is another use scenario too, is the concerned family member of the blind people. It's the son of a visual impaired senior. And Robert's mother was losing her vision due to the macular generation, and he lived in a different city as her mother, so he will want to stay connected with his mother, and also provide help remotely when his mother needs. Robert wants to use this app to check his mother's location, receive alert if he deviates from her usual routine, remotely assist her with text like medication, reminder, communication with her easily through the app's accessible interface. And they might be use this app to because we're having a user-friendly interface, reliable location checking, remote assistant feature, accessible communication tools, and clear instruction for setup and use. The goal of our app is to increase the pace of mind, improve the communication with his mom, and ability to provide remote support, and enhance safely for his visual impaired parents. Next slide, please. And here's our personal three. It's the partial sight teenager. And David was 16 years old and he was having a low vision due to genetic condition. He can see something with the aid of glasses and magnifier. He will want to use app to do the same thing as the normal people do. And he hoping to using this app to navigate easier and access information in his life. And David will be want to use app to write text and image, identify color, navigate public transposition, and access audio description of video and other media. He needs the app that is easily customizable to his specific visual needs. And then our app will be providing customizable display setting, reliable object text recognition features, seamless integration with magnification tools, and accessible interface that can be used with limited vision. The goal of the app will be increase independence, provide the access to information, enhance social participation, and greater confidence in navigating the world in his life.
So we are planning to use Node.js for the runtime and React.js for the front end and Python for our AI models. And for database, we are using MongoDB. And to deploy our AI model, we will be using AWS. And for project management, we are using Jira. For code versioning, we are using GitHub. For sprint retrospective, we are using idea boards. And for rest of like file sharing, we are using Microsoft OneDrive. So let's come to the model. So the AI model which we are going to use for our project is called YOLO. YOLO is one of the most efficient and widely used object detection models. It stands for you only look once. So why is it called that? So traditionally, to detect models in an image, a model would look at the image multiple times to detect different objects in the image. So which makes those models computationally expensive, which in turns makes it slow. So traditional models are not so good for detecting objects in real time. YOLO models change the way we do object detection. It processes the entire image in just one pass. This significantly reduces the computation time, making it ideal for applications like autonomous driving, security surveillance, and other real-time video analytics. How does it work? So it divides an image into a grid, and each cell is responsible for detecting its own objects within its boundaries. So the grid-based system allows YOLO to detect multiple objects in different locations simultaneously, ensuring efficient and structured detection. Another key advantage of YOLO is its ability to predict accurate bounding boxes. Each detected object is assigned a precise bounding box along with a confidence score, which indicates how certain a model is about its prediction. This helps in minimizing false positives and improving detection reliability. YOLO is trained on COCO dataset, which stands for Common Objects in Context, which contains over 200,000 images covering 80 objects categories. And this extensive training helps the model generalize well across different environments and object types. And it improves its real-time, real-world detection capabilities. And to avoid overlapping detections of the same object, YOLO applies something which is called NMS, non-maximum suppression. So what this is it is a technique used in object detection to eliminate redundant overlap bounding boxes, and it keeps only the most confident detection for each object. And how it works is because the model predicts multiple bounding boxes for the same object, each with a confidence score. NMS sorts these boxes on confidence scores in descending order, and it keeps the box with the highest confidence and remove the other overlapping boxes. This technique ensures that only the most accurate detection is retained, and it reduces the redundant or false positives and improves the final output. So in summary, YOLO is a very powerful object detection model that stands out for its real-time speed, high accuracy, robust performance due to like COCO training and NMS, and its ability to process images quickly while maintaining high precision made it a preferred choice for our project and many other AI-powered applications.
Yeah, so our team have decided to make some agreements to work together and we have grouped them into three categories. The first is communication. So our team will communicate through email and WhatsApp. We will have a weekly team meeting every Tuesday after the class, and developers will have an additional technical meetings on Tuesday and Thursday at 9 p.m. If someone can't attend the meeting, they should inform the team in advance and stay updated. The second division is work division and participation. Work will be fairly divided based on the skills. We will use Jira and GitHub to track the process progress. Everyone must update their status twice a week and complete task on time. If there's a delay, they should inform the team so we can guide them or assist with any help. The third part is collaboration and respect. We encourage open communication and respect. Everyone should feel comfortable sharing their ideas, respect each other's time, and support team's decision. And the next slide will be retrospective one.
Next slide, please. Okay, so I'm gonna explain the retrospective. So here are the things that what went well. So everyone was active on the WhatsApp group. Everyone collaborated in coming up with the project ideas, respected each other opinions, and we have a very good team coordination. So there are some things that we need to improve, as we say, because we are all in team, like call frequently and participations, need to document what everyone is doing. Everyone needs to speak during the meeting. So it's like both basically depends on the role, to be honest. And there are some action items that we have to work on for the future. It's schedule a Zoom call and add it to your calendar. Set up a Jira for project management. Start early for sprint one. Yeah, that's all from my side.
And
Hit the project wiki link and then feel free to open the link to navigate to the project information. Thank you.
yeah, thank you, everyone. That's it.
Stop the recording.